Marketing automation. Hey, Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about marketing automation. I will be using iTool for this. Okay. So, let's start. Marketing automation is the use of software to automate repetitive marketing tasks. It streamlines workflows, personalizes customer experiences, and allows marketers to focus on more strategic initiatives. Here is a comprehensive overview. What is marketing automation? It involves using technology to automate marketing processes and workflows. It aims to improve efficiency, personalize communication, and enhance the customer experience. It helps nurture leads, segment audiences, and track campaign performance. Key features and capabilities. Email automation. Automated email sequences based on triggers, e.g., sign-ups, purchases, website activity. Personalized email content. Drip campaigns. Lead nurturing. Automated lead scoring and qualification. Personalized content delivery based on lead behavior. Automated follow-up emails. Customer segmentation. Dividing audiences based on demographics, behavior, and preferences. Targeted marketing campaigns for specific segments. Social media automation. Scheduling social media posts. Automated social media engagement. Social listening and monitoring. CRM integration. Seamless integration with customer relationship management, CRM, systems. Synchronized customer data. Automated data updates. Analytics and reporting. Tracking campaign performance. Generating reports on key metrics. Analyzing data to optimize campaigns. Landing page automation. Automated landing page creation. A/B testing of landing pages. Workflow automation. Creation of automated workflows that trigger actions based on customer behavior. Benefits of marketing automation. Increased efficiency, automates repetitive tasks, freeing up time for strategic work. Improved lead nurturing, delivers personalized content and builds relationships with leads. Enhanced customer experience, provides relevant and timely communication. Increased conversion rates, drives more sales and conversions. Better data insights, provides valuable data for campaign optimization. Improved ROI, maximizes the return on marketing investments. Scalability, allows businesses to scale their marketing efforts. Common use cases. Welcome emails, automated emails sent to new subscribers. Abandoned cart emails, reminders to customers who left items in their shopping carts. Lead scoring, assigning points to leads based on their interactions. Event promotion, automated emails promoting webinars, conferences, and other events. Customer onboarding, automated emails guiding new customers through the onboarding process. Post-purchase follow-ups, automated emails seeking feedback or offering related products. Key considerations. Choosing the right platform, selecting a platform that meets your specific needs. Data integration, ensuring seamless integration with your existing systems. Content strategy, developing a content strategy that aligns with your marketing automation efforts. Personalization, tailoring your messages to individual customer preferences. Testing and optimization, continuously testing and optimizing your campaigns. Marketing automation, when implemented effectively, can be a valuable tool for improving marketing efficiency and effectiveness. That's the end. Now, you can check out my other videos.